Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to repeat a string a certain number of times. For this problem, we need to write a function that takes in a string and a number as arguments. We need to repeat a string provided as the first argument a number of times provided as the second argument. If our second parameter is a negative number, we need to return an empty string. Let's begin by refactoring for readability. Next, let's create a variable to hold our final result. We are going to use a for loop to repeatedly concat the string parameter to the result variable. Let's initialize our count variable to be 0. We are going to loop until count is equal to our number parameter. Every time we iterate through our loop, we increase count by 1. For each loop iteration, we will append or add our string parameter to our result variable. We can test by logging result to the console. We can see that the string ABC is repeated 3 times. Let's submit our solution. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again.